Gutierrez over the box. With about 5 seconds. And the number 2 defenders of Blue Team. Arda, kinabuhay. There's number 0. Drive. All good. Rebound, there's number 24. Gutierrez, waits, kick out, look at Gutierrez, ball, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9, 14 seconds on the shot clock. And open three, next. Gutierrez drives, speed, lays it out, very good. Rivera lays it out, Gutierrez fades, drives, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Take a shot. Arda. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Arda tries a three. As a quarter. Rivera picks up Peña, wide open. Long two. No good. Defensive play, Gutierrez, he ends up with 1. He drives to the position number 13, comes at this field. And now jersey number 4 is next on page. Balik Peña. He drives, this is the basketball. He will make Arda with an easy layup for point. Francisco, balik ang jersey number 4. Intercepted. And Uno, pinawag kay Arda. It is a almost shot clock. There's three passes sa Milawan. Balik kay Ramon, no good. Rebound secures by Gutierrez, outlet, passing to the Vidal. Close it up. Jersey number 4. Take a shot. Power passes, jersey number 45. Now Uno, pinawag kay Gutierrez, back open. There's some move. He goes to jersey number 45. Baseline kicker. Yeah, that's why Gutierrez. Drive. Big shot. Letter. Stop and pass. Baseline jumper. No good. Rebounds. Throw that down. First 27 to 5. Francisco. Still by jersey number 26. Stop and pass. Ginagawa niya ang first step. Ginagawa niya sa Rivera. Speed. Runs. Jersey number 9. Rivera again. Rivera picks out the Rivera. Tyler pass. Ginagawa niya. Bola kay Gutierrez. Drive. Vamos a ver Asus, Balik Peña, kick out, Rivera high, defensive order, jersey number 16. Kick out pass to Asus, Rivera stop and pass. Dia mulai Arda. Tag 3, no good. Rivera, jersey number 16. Dia mulai Gutierrez, corner 3, no good. Rivera secures, jersey number 10. Rivera, down pass to Rivera. Uno, Arda in the tries and Gutierrez, Gates, stop the ball. Number 4, balik kay Peña. Sigue, he tries a 3. By RDB, no good. Here the guy, Uno, jersey number 8. Now we pass the jersey number 16. Renan Peña. Balik ang bola, jersey number 4. Balik po ka rin, bawang yung box ng units by Gutierrez. There's a lock, all good. Gawa ng bola, jersey number 25. Declan J. No good. Pinari na sige. Walang bola kay Peña, balik ang bola kay jersey number 7. Balik kay Peña. 10 seconds to shoot. Balik kay Rivera. Balik kay Rivera. Pinag-iwan ng 5 seconds to shoot. Eighteen seconds on the shot clock. Rivera, his line. So good. Bola po na rin pa. Offensive position number 9. Kick out to the 15. Rivera. Side step and move. Wide open layup. No good. But offensive ball by Bautista. Bombs. Here now Peña. Balik ang bola kay Rivera. Disney Center. No good. Balik ang rebound. Diba si Jules for jersey number 8. Here now jersey number 8. Pangingan. Trampas si jersey number 26. Grabe sa kamilis po bakit? Balik ang bola kay Rivera. Peña on the line. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Peña. Anak na pasa. Rivera. 5 seconds. Disney Center. By Peña. Here we go, jersey number 11. Power pass to jersey number 27. Para po na rin si Jules by jersey number 26. Diaz makes a move. He drives shot clock. Great defense by the Magasa Lola. Here na Rivera. But turn the side back. Rivera on the ladder. Balik ang bola kay Peña. Balik kay jersey number 9. Isaray sa 3. No good rebound. Peña Burong-Uno. Out of pasok Arda. Reset bola kay Bautista. Down the pass to jersey number 9. Dito na alam po ba na may mga lapat. Sinaw ang pagong tumulog. Bigyan ang bola kay Gutierrez. Seven out, holding seconds on the shot clock. Balik ang bola kay Gutierrez, hintay sa 3. The next, downtown in the third quarter. Hilaw na kami sa middle round. Peña, down the pass sa Bautista. One out of two, bola kay Bautista. Hilaw na si number 27. Bigyan ang bola kay Gutierrez, corner 3. The next. Here now jersey number 19, target number 2, defenders of Bordeaux. Here now jersey number 15, Cameron, nice block, English number 4. Bautista, kicks out to Rivera. Peña, back is on the shot clock. Target Gutierrez, one shot over. This is used by the Asian Arctic pass version number 27, Anda, stop the ball. Bruno, here now Gutierrez, settings off, 14 seconds on the shot clock, he tries a 3, the next, LeBron James, Peña tumangga, 3 drives, the next. Here now nga, Bautista tumangga sa bola, bigay ang bola kay Rivera, Piston jumper no good, bigay si Jules, scoring. Peña on the ladder, 14 seconds on the shot clock, bigay kay Bautista. Rivera natanggap ang bola, 10 seconds to shoot. Piston jumper, no good, bigay si Jules kay Pangilan. Dribbles sa bola, hinaw ang tangan. Dribbles, kick out, push it up. Rivera, 14 seconds on the shot clock, bigay kay Bautista. Balikan on the level, bigay kay Alda. Stop and mark. Take a pass, baseline jumping, no good. Viva si Cruz by Rivera. Hilang Rivera. Kita berhasil kepada Zak Puranono. Kita berhasil sampai naik. Sudah berhasil berhasil shot, kabur. Jersey number 25, replace a team. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 25. You take a shot. You know the left time. You know Batista. Jersey number 9. Out the pass was better. Out the pass was better. Second, you know the left time. Let's run from the win. Alda, double pass. Intercepted. Another turnover was Bruno. You know the better. Let's roll. Please. You know, Barangay Sangilan, Rivera. Step up. For three. No good. So, bigyan na ba ang lintang? 40 seconds on the shot clock. Bigyan na ba ang jersey number 9? 10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock. Bring to the jersey number 1. Bigyan na ba ang Bruno? 7 on 5. Bigyan na ba ang Rivera? 1 over 3. No good. Bigyan mo na kay Gutierrez. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Gutierrez, bigyan ba ang Palinan? Pagkakas na ng top. 5 seconds. Alba, 1 over 3. Ilan na? You know the Zara. Dito na guys. The Vera, nice and clean. Alinan, balik ang bola kay Beasis. Balik kay Gutierrez. 10 seconds to work with. Patingado ba 25 na siya ang pagsakliyan. Rinta, nasa 3. No way, pinabas si Cruzman. Gutierrez. Second, Lina Rivera. Spin move, Gutierrez. Next, the Dragon. Oh, good. Final for the Rivers. We got secured by jersey number 19. We got Rivers.